Hey, this is Thailand Tom. Sawadee krap. Sometimes you have to get up before the sun goes up. And I'll show you why. Supansa is preparing some pesticides that we have to spray some of the plants with because they are getting eaten up by some bugs. So and that apparently have to be done before the sun comes up. So even though it looked bright on the video, it's still not. It's about 5:30 or so in the morning, just after. This spray, this is not bad for us or the environment later, right? Yeah. Darling, would you like me to put on a cup of tea? You want me to put on a cup of tea? Okay. Tea is ready, love. Look at this. Nice breakfast. Made early. Supansa fried some toast in egg. I don't know what that's the name in English. I know the name in Swedish. And then an egg on top of that and some ham inside too. Oh, that's nice. In Swedish it's called fattiga riddare. If you know the name of this toast in egg, it's fried in egg. Please comment below. So these are my morning views from my seat in the kitchen where I have my breakfast and think about the day. I love this palm tree over here, the big one here. That is beautiful. My little spot in paradise. Nature is phenomenal. The powers to create these flashes and this thunder is amazing.